Let's add some serious light to my setup. If you spend a significant amount of time in front of your monitor, especially when the lights go down, you know the struggle. You get eye strain, glare, and a workspace that feels dark. This is where I'd like to introduce you to the BenQ Screenbar Halo 2. A fun fact, I actually checked out their original model back in 2017, but we can see how far things have changed. So BenQ literally pioneered this category of screen bars, and Halo 2 is here to prove why they're still relevant and still the best. So what do you actually get in the box for £149 price tag here in the UK? First up is your usual information booklet. You'll also get a mounting bracket. This can sit on top of the screen bar to allow you to attach a web camera. So if you have a dedicated web camera that you want to use, so it can sit on top of your monitor. So that's a nice extra little touch there. We get a UK 3-pin plug that has a USB-C connection. This is where you're going to use your cable from your Halo 2 to plug in, and it uses a USB-C connection. The cable length is about 150 centimeters, so 1.5 meters is fixed into place. It can't be taken out or use a different cable. We have our wireless control puck, where you're able to control temperature and color of both front light and back light. This wireless puck is your command center. It's your go-to controlling your light and also the temperature you want to use. It's weighted and tilted at a 15-degree angle, making for an easier viewing and able to make quick fire changes. It connects to USB-C for charging, but with a single charge it will last up to 3 months, which is very impressive. It's a kind of accessory that elevates the whole experience, and it just makes it so easy to change and adjust the lighting. So next up is the star of the show, and that's of course the Halo 2 screen bar itself. It feels really premium in hand. It's made from a dark grey aluminium alloy construction. It feels sturdy when holding. It feels of good high quality. It arcs back to that 2017 model. The Halo 2 is designed to work virtually with any monitor, and my monitor throws it a real challenge. So we're talking about flats monitor, curved monitors with a radius of 1000 or 1800, even those that bulge back monitors like mine. It supports monitor thickness from a super thin 0.43 centimeters all the way up to 6 centimeters. Crucially, it attaches without obstructing any built-in web cameras. This uses BenQ's patented clip, which is incredibly versatile. And there's little grooves for the light bar to sit on the monitor, and find the best one that suits you. So obviously I've got an ultra thin monitor, so you can either follow the steps I'm doing or follow the guide that's in the box. You'll find the groove that it sits on really neatly and easy to connect. And that's it basically. Plug in the USB-C cable and away you go. So once you have plugged in the USB-C cable, setting up your wireless puck is equally as easy. Once it's paired, and by pairing all you need to do is switch on a little switch that's underneath. You'll have full control, so you can adjust the brightness, the color temperature for both the front light and the back light completely independently, so you can give a precise level of control. For myself, you may want the front light a lot brighter and the back light a little bit dimmer, but you can have control from 1% to 100%, so it doesn't matter what you want to do. So if you have a dual monitor setup, one wireless controller puck can actually operate both Halo 2 light bars. You're most probably thinking now, why spend £149 on a light bar? The answer is simple, it's your eyes. Our eyes are so vital and so important. So with this light bar, we are creating an optimal, glare-free and healthy environment for long hours of work, gaming or reading. So even when you're gaming, you might want a bit of light in the background. So it's really important to focus on our eyes. We don't want eye strain, you don't want fatigue and tiredness, because you may want to finish that last bit of work. You've got a project maybe that needs to be sent off, or you just want to enjoy reading something while you go through the night. The key technology here is BenQ's exclusive light. It uses asymmetrical optic and curved reflector to focus the light directly onto your desk, not your screen. So this is where you don't get the glare. The screen bar is tilted at an 18-degree angle to prevent any direct glare hitting your display. This means zero screen reflections and a massive reduction in eye strain and discomfort. The light itself is incredibly high quality with a color fidelity index of FR of 96, meaning colors look exactly as they should be. The front light delivers a wide and even illumination of 500 lux across a generous 85 by 50 centimeter area. This is ideal lighting for a keyboard, mouse and document that's right in front of you. So now let's talk about the Halo, and this is what separates the Halo 2 from the rest. It features a unique triple curved backlight. This powerful backlight is designed to balance the contrast between your bright monitor and your darker surroundings. This results in a smooth wide glow around your monitor that reduces the contrast ratio, saving your eyes from constantly readjusting. This is scientifically designed to be less fatiguing, especially when you're working late in the night. So your control puck is where the magic happens and you have complete control over your brightness and color temperature, which ranges from a warm 2700 Kelvin to a cool, bright 6500 Kelvin. You can instantly see a precise measurement setting on top of the display when you're turning it, so ensuring consistency and choosing the best option for you. So when you do find the perfect brightness setting and color temperature setting, you can tap the little heart and save it as a favorite. One feature here that's really worth mentioning is the real-time auto dimming. So tap the button and it automatically detects the light that is in your room, the office, or wherever you have this placed. With the built-in ambient light sensor, it will instantly detect the light that's in your room and automatically adjust the illumination for you. So this again is really helpful for yourself, your eyes, and also sets a good working environment. It takes the guesswork out of what's the best light for you. And then for myself, one of my key features is always saving energy and saving money, and that's the use of the auto on and off. It's a brilliant feature. This uses another sensor. The ultrasonic sensor detects motion. So tap the person icon on your control puck, and if you step away for 5 minutes or more, it will automatically turn off the lights. No more manual handling or no more finding the switch. When you return and detects movement, it lights up instantly, ready to go where you want it to be. So the BenQ Screenbar Halo 2 is a lighting solution for modern professionals. You may be working from home longer, you may be working from home late in the night, or you may be gaming. It's space saving as well, so replacing a bulky desk lamp that doesn't offer much flexibility. The Halo 2 offers a precise control and smart automation works for you. You can turn up to your desk, it will detect you're there and begin working. It will auto dim throughout the night for you to find the best light as well. And most importantly, this is an investment in your eye health. So being registered blind, it is so very important. Do look after your eyes. This isn't just another accessory for your desk setup. It's a key piece of equipment that can help you spend long hours creating content. You could be coding, you could be designing, or even late night gaming. It creates a focused, comfortable environment that simply helps you to be more productive and reduce the end of day fatigue and tiredness. I want to say, if you're tired of squinting at a monitor or dealing with the desk lamps that just don't get into the right position and give you glare on your monitor, the Halo 2 is a massive upgrade and well worth checking out. I'll drop the links to BenQ and Amazon UK where you can go and pick this up for £149 down in the video description. Let me know in the comments, do you use a monitor light bar? And what's your biggest struggle with your current lighting setup? So if you've enjoyed this review, please make sure to hit that like button, tap subscribe and tap the notification bell to be updated when I share new videos. All that's left to say is thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.